Hello everyone! Thank you for joining me for this oil painting time-lapse. Today I'm painting a portrait of a girl named Ellie. I'll leave a link to her Instagram in the description below. I'm starting with my underpainting in burnt umber mixed with a little bit of the color brown pink from Williamsburg because I wanted this painting to have an even warmer undertone than my paintings usually have. I also painted my canvas in antique gold ahead of time because I've been wanting to experiment with a metallic base for my portraits for a while now. This painting took me roughly an hour and a half to complete in real time. It was all done alla prima, so it was all done in one sitting, wet on wet style.